Okay. Here are the duckies. Go ahead and film the duckies. Hello, duckies. Well, I hope I don't get in trouble for filming y'all, you know. Oh, and look at Suno right here. Okay. This is a nice school over here. Suno, University at New Orleans, or University of New Orleans. Y'all look at the ducks. Y'all see the ducks? Mm-hmm. And a squirrel joined the party if y'all can see the squirrel. Look at here, geese and gooses and well, oh, they're flying away. All right. So a squirrel ran up this tree somewhere, you know. I don't know if y'all have some ducks over here, you know. Some ducks over here. A squirrel just went up this tree. A squirrel appeared on my show before, cause you know, them squirrels always chase each other, you know. I don't see no squirrel up here, you know. Oh yeah, I don't know if y'all can see them ducks flying and stuff like that. All right. University, Southern University. All right, so about to stop this tape and go. Hello, quacky duck. All right.